Tuloy-tuloy at inaasahang lalong lalala pa ang gyera sa Middle East. Mula kasi noong Sabado, wala pa ring tigil ang Amerika at Israel sa pangbobomba sa pangunahing installation sa Iran. Mga fighter jets, drones, missile facilities, at pati itong ang mga Chinese radar gamit ng Iran sabog. Lahat ng yan binomba ng Amerika. Pero ang Iran patuloy din sa pagganti sa US sa pamamagitan ng pagbomba sa US military base sa Middle East. Kabuoang 14 bansa na ang damay sa digmaan: Qatar, UAE, Kuwait, Bahrain at madami pang ibang bansa. Lalala pa nga ang gera dahil ang Iran tuloy-tuloy nga sa pag-launch ng ballistic missile. 4 na rin ang sundalong Amerikanong kumpirmadong patay.
A grateful nation honors the 4 Americans we have lost thus far and those injured. The absolute best of America.
Hindi titigil ang US sa pangbobomba sa Iran hanggat hindi nauubos lahat ng missile ng Iran. Handa daw ang Amerika sa gera, pagbabantayan mismo ni Donald Trump sa Iranian regime.
Our objective is to defend the American people by eliminating imminent threats from the Iranian regime. Finally, to the great proud people of Iran, I say tonight that the hour of your freedom is at hand. Stay sheltered. Don't leave your home. It's very dangerous outside. Bombs will be dropping everywhere. When we are finished, take over your government. It will be yours to take. This will be probably your only chance for generations. It was brutal, something like the world has never seen before. Iran is the world's #1 state sponsor of terror and just recently killed tens of thousands of its own citizens on the street as they protested. It has always been the policy of the United States, in particular my administration, that this terrorist regime can never have a nuclear weapon. I'll say it again, they can never have a nuclear weapon.
Ang nakakatakot lang dito, pag nanghimasok ang China at Russia sa gera, madadamay talaga ang Pilipinas dyan. Pero sa ngayon, wala pa daw banta na madadamay tayo sa digmaan. Libo-libo kasing kilometro ang layo ng Pilipinas, malayo talaga. Hindi abot ng missile ng Iran. May nagpapakalat kasi ng fake news, bobombahin daw ang mga EDCA sites. Fake news po yan. Pero sa ngayon, apektado nga ang Pilipinas sa gera at asahang lolobo ang presyo ng gasolina sa buong bansa.
May mga engagements tayo with the Americans, but particularly EDCA sites natin. Is there any fear at the moment na pwedeng tayo madamay din because of the American presence?
Wala. There has been no monitored, credible threat against the Philippines. First and foremost, what is happening in the Middle East right now is a regional conflict. Iran has been attacking the Gulf states within the range of her missile capability, 2,000 kilometers. We are 7,500 kilometers away. So wala tayong threat. Maliban nun, wala na monitor na credible threat against us. Wala siyang dahilan. They have no proxy, state or non-state actors in the Southeast Asian region that could be used as staging areas. So again, as mentioned by the Department of Defense and the headquarters of the AFP, there has been no monitored credible threat against the Philippines.
Kayo, sa tingin nyo, bakit kaya ayaw ng China manghimasok sa gulo? O makatakot si Xi Jinping kay Trump? Ano sa palagay nyo? Komento sa baba ang salobin.